This is this is our door. Here's our vertex. Here's our edge. And here's our face. And that shall be.
This is the edge. That is. No, that's the edge. This is the vertex. And that's the other edge. And this is the vertex. And then the face. F-A-C-E. And then you got, there it is. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, and I'm back again. So this is our vertex up here. Vertex, edge, vertex, edge, vertex, edge, edge, and then face, face. Then we got another one right here, face up there, face down here, and a face over here. And that shall be done, bros.